Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is faggots. Now normally faggots are made with the heart, the lungs and the rest of the plank, but we're just using pork beef and pork liver today. A list of ingredients are on screen now. First thing we do for this is put the pork shoulder in the food processor and pulse until it becomes sort of grainy, as you see here. Then place the pork shoulder into a suitably sized bowl and repeat the process with the pork belly. Don't put it through the food processor too much. You don't want it slurry. You want some texture in it. Then chop the liver up and do the same in the food processor. Then when it's all in the bowls, add the breadcrumbs, mace, nutmeg, salt and pepper and taste, and then get in with your hands and thoroughly mix together. I know at this stage it looks like Hannibal Lecter's salad bowl, but it does come together and taste really good in the end. Add extra breadcrumbs if you need to until the meat mixture can be formed into balls as you see here. And when you take the balls and wrap them in a rasher of bacon, again as you see here. When you've finished, you should have something that looks like this. Then you're ready to cook. Simply put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees C for 45 minutes to an hour. And when the time is up, simply remove from the oven and serve hot or cold, or even with onion gravy if you fancy it. We do hope you like this recipe and give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.